Hello and welcome to this Pearson Primary History Unit briefing. In this video I'll be taking you through our unit on the Industrial Revolution. A study of an aspect or theme in British history that extends pupils' chronological knowledge beyond 1066 is a statutory national curriculum requirement, and schools are free to choose which aspect or theme beyond 1066 that they'd like to focus on. We've selected the Industrial Revolution due to its historical significance both within Great Britain but also globally. Another national curriculum requirement is a local study. For example, a study of an aspect of history or a site dating to a period beyond 1066 that is significant in the locality. The Industrial Revolution provides the perfect opportunity to contextualise historical study with your locality due to the impact that this period had on every community across the country. So let's take a closer look at the work booklet that pupils will complete as they move through this unit. The booklet begins with a knowledge organiser. Emphasis is given to the political and legal changes during this period, and a list of legal acts and parliamentary laws can be seen here. There's also a section on the inventions that sparked the Industrial Revolution, as well as key vocabulary used throughout the topic. Each of the 6 lessons is framed around an inquiry question. It may be helpful to share this question at the beginning of the lessons to frame the learning, as well as ending the lesson by having pupils jot their key reflections in the learning review column here. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these lessons in turn. The first lesson asks, what were the main features of Victorian society? Pupils will learn about the British Empire, as well as the social class system during the reign of Queen Victoria. They'll also discover inventions such as the steam engine, which helped to drive the Industrial Revolution. Lesson 2 asks, what were living and working conditions like during the Industrial Revolution? Pupils will learn about the dangerous conditions in mines and factories, as well as poor housing many working class people endured. The relationship between new towns and increasing crime will also be examined, resulting in the creation of the Metropolitan Police Force. Lesson 3 asks, how successful were political acts at making Britain fairer? Pupils will learn about the voting rights of different groups during the 19th century and the increased franchise through the Great Reform Act. They'll then learn about how Chartists continued pressure to allow more people the right to vote, including the working classes. An attempt to improve working conditions through the Factory Act and Mines Act will also be considered. Lesson 4 asks, what was it like for working children during the Industrial Revolution? Pupils will learn about the cottage industry jobs that children did before the Industrial Revolution. Then, a number of inventions which automated much of this work will be considered, including the spinning jenny, the water frame, carding machines, the spinning mule, and the self-acting mule. Finally, pupils will learn about the jobs that children undertook in factories and mines. Lesson 5 asks, how did the Industrial Revolution change Feltham? In this lesson, we turn the focus onto our own locality, Feltham. You may wish to substitute this lesson for a study of your own locality, but we hope that including this lesson gives you a helpful framework from which to plan, such as studying local maps before, during, and after the Industrial Revolution, to get a sense of the second-order concept of change over time. And the final lesson, Lesson 6, asks pupils, what advantages and disadvantages did the Industrial Revolution have for working class people? This extended written response gives pupils a chance to consolidate their knowledge of the period, weighing up evidence to reach a judgment and embracing the shades of grey within historical study. We hope that you enjoy teaching this Pearson unit on the Industrial Revolution and that your students enjoy learning all about it. The video ends here.